Question number 5, you're going to complete the congruency statement based on the image. Okay, so here it says triangle LMQ. So it is easy to write this if you imagine a person walking. So let's start on N. It starts on the one curve. It walks all the way here to line M. Then it walks all the way here to Q. So it passes these marks. So it goes from one curve to the hash mark to the second curve. Then it went to the last letter with no curve. So we're going to start it at the same position here. You see how it starts at the one curve? So it starts with triangle S. Then you see how it walks to the one dash. Okay, then it goes to the two curve. Then it finishes up with that letter with no marks there. So it goes from S, T, then R. Okay, let's do B. CAB. So let's start with C. Here's the person. Then it walks to CA. So it walks to CA. It passes one curve. And then it walks to A. Then it walks to B. So it went to one hash mark. Then it went to no hash marks. So here we would have to start at the same position, which is C. Okay, which is right in the middle. Here it says it's gonna go to the one hash mark, so we can go one hash mark this way if we want. AD, then we can go also to E here. E. Or you can also write it this as well because they're both congruent. They can also walk this way because you see how it's passing through the same mark. E. Then C, E, then D. These two answers work here because this object is an isosceles. Okay, it's a bow tie. All right, let's do try C, which is RST. Here's R. It starts with the one curve, walks to the S with no curves, then ends at T with two curves. So here we'll have to start with the one curve. So that looks like that starts at T, walks all the way to the no curve. So walks to Q, and then it walks to the one curve, no, two curves, which is R. Okay, so there you go. It is triangle TQR. Okay, so this is how you write the triangle congruency statement with the visualization of just a person.